Once upon a time, in a magical land, lived a little dragon named Sparky. Sparky was known for his fiery breath and his fiery temper. One day, Sparky became very angry. His scales turned a bright red, and smoke billowed from his nostrils. "Oh dear! What's wrong, Sparky?" asked his best friend, Breezy the breeze. "I'm just so angry," Sparky roared. "I can't control it." Breezy flew close to Sparky and whispered, "Why don't we take a walk, my friend? Let's find a quiet place where we can calm down." Sparky followed Breezy, and they soon came to a peaceful meadow. The grass was soft, and the sun was shining. In the distance, a peaceful stream flowed gently. "Let's sit by the stream, Sparky," suggested Breezy. "Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Inhale the fresh air and let go of your anger." Sparky did as Breezy said. He felt the cool breeze on his scales and the calming sound of the stream. He took deep breaths, and slowly, his anger began to fade. "Feel better, Sparky?" asked Breezy. "Yes, I do," replied Sparky. "Thank you, Breezy. I didn't realize that taking a moment to calm down could make such a difference." From that day on, Sparky learned the importance of controlling his anger. He would take a walk and sit by the stream whenever he felt angry. And Breezy, with his calming breeze, always helped his friend to find peace. And so, Sparky and Breezy lived happily in their magical land, cherishing their friendship and their lessons about calmness. The end.